On the water's edge, a duck had been brooding on her nest for some time. One by one, the chicks emerged from their eggs. At last, the largest egg also burst open. Startled, the mother duck looked at the chick that came out. That is a terribly large duckling, and it's grey, she thought. Chui Huanpin, Chicha Abu te Shuni Punang, Puliao Ujicha Mala. Wow, u tentanga, Jiliap ku jiliap neng kak pit kui, aja kon jicha ko jicha chau chulai. Lubwe siong toa hitliap ma pok chi sia lik kui. Abu kya jito, bakchu te yu ti toa lui te kwa chau chulai aja kon. Wow, Lile, nai hia toa cha, yoko si pu siki, u kau kya lang ne.